Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to convert a regular 2D image into something that looks like a 3D using nothing but PowerPoint. This technique is particularly useful for researchers working in the field of electronic devices or material science, where optical or microscopic images often need to be visually refined for publishing in scientific journals or thesis or presentation. So let's get started. So let's suppose we have this image. Here I am using PowerPoint in Mac Mini, but the process is very similar if you are using Windows. So the first thing we need to do is round up the corners. So click on the image and then go to crop. And then go to crop to shape and select this, and now based on your preference you can adjust the corners. So I'm happy with it. So now we have rounded our corners. Now click on the picture, go to picture effects, go to 3D rotation and click on this. Okay, so now you click on the format picture, which is here, and in the format picture you click on 3D format. So in the 3D format you put the depth. So in case I'll just add 20. Now change the color, something like that. Okay, so now you can change the lighting. So I prefer this, or maybe something like that. All right, now go to 3D rotation. Here you can adjust your orientation. So this looks much better. So now we can put a shadow. So click on this and let's try this one, and let's increase the size a bit and increase the blur. All right, so you see now this looks very good. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this tutorial and thank you for watching.